I'm not Jared. My name is not Jared. My name is Chad.
Chad what?
Chad T-Ring.
You got an ID?
I don't have an ID.
So lift up your head.
My name is Chad.
You have an ID?
I don't have an ID, sir.
Come on here, I'll show you.
No.
Yeah, hey, you can't go.
Yes, I can. What did I do?
Because I looked at the thing, it looks like you're Jared Erickson.
My name is not Jared Erickson.
What is your name? It's not Chad.
It's Chad.
Chad what?
T-Ring.
I'll show you the booking for. It's not you.
My name is not Jared Erickson.
Then what is it? It's not Chad.
It's Chad, sir. This is not. My name is Chad T-Ring.
The Chad T-Ring is bald, 6'3" and 180 something pounds. That's not you. Alright, stop reaching for stuff.
I'm not reaching. I'm reaching my bag. I did not. You cannot.
No, you gotta stay here. You lied about your name.
No, I did not. I did not lie.
Your name's not Chad.
Don't put your hands on me.
Your name's not Chad.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Don't put your hands.
Your
Yes,
name's
it
not
is.
Chad.
It's Chad T-Ring.
No, it's not.
Sir,
I
don't
looked
put
at it.
your
It says-
hands on me.
it says-
Why are you doing this,
Stop.
dude? My
Stop
name
it.
is Chad.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's not Chad. You're Jared Erickson.
No, I'm not.
Then stop resisting right now.
Okay.
Hang on.
All right.
We're gonna figure out who you are because what you told me is not true. You might be
Yes.
Chad, but you're not Chad Turing.
Yeah.
You're not 6'3" and you're not 185 pounds and you're not bald. She's leaving you.
Are you leaving me?
So you're gonna tell me your real name or
My
not?
name is Chad T-Ring, guy.
I looked at your booking photo.
This is illegal.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, because your name is not Chad.
Yes, it is, sir.
No, stop.
Will you let me go, please?
Until we figure out your name, you gotta stop.
Dude, okay, dude. My name is Chad T-Ring, bro.
No, turn around that way. We're gonna detain you right
No.
now. Your name's not Chad,
Yes,
dude.
it is, dude. Let me go.
No, it's not.
Will you let me go, dude?
I just looked up.
Let me
Stop.
go, dude.
Stop.
No, dude. Come on.
Stop.
Please.
Your name's not Chad, dude.
Let me
Your name
go.
is not Chad.
Let me go.
I'm gonna tase you, bro. You better stop now. I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you, dude. Knock it off, Jared.
It's not Jared.
What is your name then? You're lying.
No, 28 as well.
Stop it. Stop it.
Right in your back.
Okay.
Slow down.
Never walk. Yeah, I'm still in there.
You got all this.
You alright, bud?
Oh.
Come on, check this out. Probably a mess. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Do you wanna, you get an evidence bag, we'll just put the cash in there.
Sounds like possession with intent.
So those magnets there.
That's what he's trying to do. He's trying to put it up in the car. We're fighting that car right there. And make sure it's not damaged because I slammed him into her car. She left.
She left in the vehicle.
I'm gonna check that car, make sure it's not damaged. Where's that car? Damaged. It's not their car. Running on here.
Put them on cell phone restrictions at the jail. I'll tell you on that.
That's probably 26. That's probably 26.
Maybe these little ones.
Yep.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it is.
That's him.
No bag of coke. That's pretty consistent with 26 ounces. Probably a little bit less in piece.